Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp account. So first of all, you will need to go ahead to your browser and you will need to search for the how do I open a new WhatsApp account, just for precaution, to know how do you open up a new account, okay? And here it says in order to open a new WhatsApp account, you will need to download the application first from Google Play or App Store. So you will need to go ahead to your App Store right here, like I'm using. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the WhatsApp and just download it, okay? And after you download it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just open up the WhatsApp and you're gonna follow in-screen instructions in order to create a new account. Afterwards, you will need to provide a valid phone number for verification, so you can set up your new account and verify that this is your account. So keep in mind that you need a valid phone number in order to create a WhatsApp account. And afterwards, after you verify your account, you will just set up your own profile, name, bio, picture and whatnot. And afterwards, eventually, you're gonna open up the chat right away. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.